morning friends, I am CMA Sridhar Akula. As we have promised in our previous video, I am presenting the latest updates on government jobs in finance domain pertaining to this week. So stay tuned. Our first vacancy is coming from Indian Institute of Technology Delhi as Junior Assistant Accounts. They have 6 vacancies and the educational qualification asked is BCom or equivalent qualification. The upper age limit is 27 years and the nature of employment is permanent. And those who are desirous to apply, they have to apply online latest by 24th August 2020. Friends, all the vacancies shown in this video, I have mentioned the website link of the recruiting organization in the description box below, so you can directly click there and apply for your vacancies. Next vacancy is from National Institute of Fashion Technology. It's a statutory institute. The recruitment is for assistant accounts. There is one post. The educational qualification asked is graduation in commerce or economics or statistics or mathematics. The age limit is between 21 to 40 years. It's a contractual post for 5 years, but they have mentioned that there will be a possibility of regularization. They have asked 2 years experience in the relevant field. You have to apply latest by 14th August 2020 by online mode. Next vacancy is from Balmal Lorry. It's a Mini Ratna company, a Government of India enterprise. The recruitment is for junior officer accounts and finance. They have asked BCom. The upper age limit is 25 years. It's a permanent post, but they are asking experience of 1 year, and the desirous people, they have to apply online latest by 17th August 2020. Next vacancy is from MSME Technology Center Bhopal. It is under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, Government of India. It's a one vacancy post for the recruitment of accounts officer. It's a permanent post. They have asked for degree in commerce. Desirable qualification is PG in commerce, CWA, CA or CS examination or equivalent. The upper age limit is 32 years and they have asked 3 years experience in the relevant field. And friends, this is an offline mode of application. You have to download the application form, fill up the form, attach the relevant documents and send it by post latest by 30th August 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization, MSME Technology Center Bhopal. They have asked store officer. I have included this post because the qualification they have asked is degree in commerce. The desirable qualification is PG in commerce or diploma in material management. It's a one post recruitment. The upper age limit is 32 years. It's a permanent post. They have asked 3 years of experience in the relevant field. Again, it is an offline mode of application. You have to send all the documents and your form latest by 30th August 2020. Gentle reminder friends, for those who are applying or who have already applied for SEBI Grade A exam post, they can visit to our website www.financemcq.in, which we will be launching soon. Here we are covering the entire technical syllabus, which is very important for this exam. It is covering 100 marks in phase 1 and 2/3 marks in your phase 2 exam. So we are providing more than 2000 questions to practice, plus we have some 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus. So please do visit this website, and once it is launched I will definitely let you all guys know. So moving on, the next vacancy is from Sainik School, Kanjurpura, Karnal, Haryana. This post is a permanent post for the recruitment of quartermaster. The educational qualification is BA or BCom. It's a one vacancy post. It's a permanent post, and the experience they have asked is 5 years experience as upper divisional clerk and 10 years for ex-servicemen. And friends, so this will be for those people who are already in government service. The mode of application is offline, and latest the application duly filled application form has to reach latest by 20th August 2020. Next vacancy is coming from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh. It's a post of chief cashier, and again they have asked a graduation in commerce. They have one vacancy, but the age limit is up to 35 years. It's a permanent post, and you have to have 5 years of experience of handling cash and accounts work in government organizations. So again, this vacancy is also for those who are already in government service and looking for some promotion or growth in their career. The application mode is online and latest by 30th August 2020. Next vacancy is from Indian Council of Social Science Research. This is for chartered accountants or CA intermediate people. They have not disclosed any number of vacancies or age limit or nature of employment. Even they have not mentioned any experience. So all those people who are having that qualification, they can surely send a mail to ashish@icssr.org. I would not recommend it to send by offline mode because it's already 8th August today, so 2 days it will be difficult for you to send it by post. So the easy way would be to directly send a mail to ashish@iccsr.org. Next vacancy is again from the same organization. It is the post for finance/accounts assistant, and the educational qualification is bachelor degree in commerce/finance. Here they have mentioned they are in fact looking for experience in finance or establishment or admin. Again, all desirous candidates, they have to mail their CV to ashish@icssr.org latest by 10th August 2020. Here, even though they have not mentioned the salary or pay package, but they have mentioned that the remuneration or consultancy fee will be as per their qualification and experience of candidate. So anyone with having the qualification and relevant experience, they are free to apply. So friends, that's all for this week. Thank you for watching and see you all next week with all the latest updates in finance MCQ. So stay tuned and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.